Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 3 From Gathering to Growing Food. And in this video, we will learn the section Finding Out about the First Farmers and Herders. Question 1. Evidence of herders is found all over dash. The options are India, the country, the subcontinent, river valleys. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is the subcontinent. Question 2. Some of the most important sites are in dash. The options are Northwest, Kashmir, East and South India, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of the above. Question 3. The sites from where archaeologists have found evidence of early farmers and herders. The options are Mehergarh, Burzahom, Mahagara, Koldhuwa, Chiran, Daujali Heding, Halur, Payampalli, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of the above. Question 4. To find out whether the sites were settlements of farmers and herders, scientists study evidence of dash. The options are plants, animal bones, tools, plants and animal bones. Your time to choose. And the answer is plants and animal bones. Question 5. One of the most exciting finds includes remains of dash. The options are grain, burnt grain, bones, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is burnt grain. Question 6. Grain may have been burnt dash. The options are accidentally, on purpose, accidentally or on purpose, for rituals. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is accidentally or on purpose. Question 7. From burnt grain, scientists can identify the dash of grain. The options are type, time period for harvesting, length, reason for burning. Your time to choose. And the answer is type. Question 8. From burnt grain, scientists have identified that dash were grown. The options are small crops, large crops, A and B, a number of crops. Your time to choose. And the answer is a number of crops. Question 9. From burnt grain, scientists have identified that a number of crops were grown dash. The options are in different parts of the subcontinent, in grasslands, all over the country, scientifically. Your time to choose. And the answer is in different parts of the subcontinent. Question 10. Scientists can also identify dash of different animals. The options are types, features, the bones, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is the bones. Okay, in this video we learned this section finding out about the first farmers and herders. In the next video we will do the section places where evidence of grain and bones have been found. I'll see you there.